Everybody is looking for the perfect appetizer, and spring rolls are the answer. These little bundles of deliciousness are a culinary adventure. Imagine crispy wrappers filled with savory meats, fresh veggies, and exotic spices. It's a party in your mouth. Spring rolls are surprisingly easy to make and incredibly versatile. Fill them with anything from classic pork to spicy tofu. And the dipping sauces? They add a tangy, sweet, or spicy kick. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and embark on a spring roll journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's kick things off with a classic pork spring rolls, packed with juicy ground pork, crunchy vegetables, and aromatic spices. The tangy mustard sauce adds a perfect zing. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Serve hot with the tangy mustard sauce. Enjoy! Beef up your spring roll game with these savory beef spring rolls. Tender strips of beef mingle with fresh vegetables and a hint of spice. The spicy peanut sauce adds a creamy, nutty kick that will leave you wanting more. Ingredients: 1 pound thinly sliced beef, half a cup chopped bell peppers, half a cup chopped onions, a quarter cup chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 package spring roll wrappers, and oil for frying. Sauce: a quarter cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon sriracha. Instructions: marinate the beef in soy sauce and sesame oil for 30 minutes. In a large skillet, stir-fry the beef until cooked through. Add the bell peppers, onions, and cilantro and cook until softened. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of the beef mixture to the center. Fold the sides inward and roll tightly. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large skillet. Fry until golden brown and crispy. For the sauce, whisk together peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sriracha. Serve the spring rolls hot with the spicy peanut sauce. These chicken spring rolls are a sweet and savory delight. Tender chicken, crisp vegetables, and a sticky honey soy glaze create a flavor combination that's simply irresistible. Ingredients: 1 pound cooked chicken, shredded, half a cup chopped carrots, half a cup chopped celery, a quarter cup chopped green onions, 1 package spring roll wrappers, and oil for frying. Glaze: a quarter cup honey, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the shredded chicken, carrots, celery, and green onions. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of the chicken mixture to the center. Fold the sides inward and roll tightly. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large skillet. Fry the spring rolls until golden brown and crispy. In a small saucepan, whisk together the honey, soy sauce, and sesame oil. Heat over low heat until the glaze thickens slightly. Brush the cooked spring rolls with the honey soy glaze. Serve hot and enjoy! Shrimp spring rolls with zesty lime dip. Dive into the refreshing flavors of these shrimp spring rolls. Plump shrimp, crisp vegetables, and a zesty lime dip create a light and flavorful appetizer or meal. Ingredients: 1 pound cooked shrimp, peeled and deveined, half a cup shredded lettuce, half a cup chopped cucumber, 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, and 1 package of spring roll wrappers. For the dip, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons lime juice, and 1 teaspoon chili powder. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the shrimp, lettuce, cucumber, and cilantro. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of the shrimp mixture to the center. Fold the sides inward and roll tightly. You can either fry these spring rolls or serve them fresh. If frying, heat oil in a deep fryer or large skillet. Fry until golden brown and crispy. For the dip, whisk together mayonnaise, lime juice, and chili powder. Serve the spring rolls with the zesty lime dip. Section 6. Vegetable spring rolls with sesame ginger dressing. These vibrant vegetable spring rolls are packed with fresh, crunchy vegetables and a flavorful sesame ginger dressing. They're a healthy and delicious option for vegetarians and meat lovers alike. Ingredients: 1 cup shredded carrots, 1 cup shredded cabbage, half a cup chopped bell peppers, 1/4 cup chopped bean sprouts, and 1 package of spring roll wrappers. For the dressing, 1/4 cup sesame oil, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon grated ginger. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the carrots, cabbage, bell peppers, and bean sprouts. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of the vegetable mixture to the center. Fold the sides inward and roll tightly. You can either fry these spring rolls or serve them fresh. If frying, heat oil in a deep fryer or large skillet. Fry until golden brown. For the dressing, whisk together sesame oil, rice vinegar, and grated ginger. Serve the spring rolls with the sesame ginger dressing. Spicy tofu spring rolls with sriracha mayo. Turn up the heat with these spicy tofu spring rolls. Crispy tofu, crunchy vegetables, and a fiery sriracha mayo create a flavor explosion that will ignite your taste buds. Ingredients: 1 block firm tofu, pressed and cubed, half a cup chopped carrots, half a cup chopped broccoli florets, 1/4 cup chopped red onion, 1 tablespoon sriracha, 1 package of spring roll wrappers, and oil for frying. For the sriracha mayo, 1/4 cup mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons sriracha. Instructions: in a bowl, toss the tofu with sriracha. In a large skillet, stir fry the tofu until golden brown. Add the carrots, broccoli, and red onion and cook until slightly softened. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of the tofu mixture to the center. Fold the sides inward and roll tightly. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large skillet. Fry the spring rolls until golden brown and crispy. For the sriracha mayo, whisk together mayonnaise and sriracha. Serve the spring rolls hot with the sriracha mayo. Thai-inspired spring rolls with coconut curry dip. Embark on a culinary adventure to Thailand with these Thai-inspired spring rolls. Aromatic spices, fresh herbs, and a creamy coconut curry dip create a flavor profile that's both exotic and comforting. Ingredients: 1 pound ground chicken or turkey, half a cup chopped red onion, a 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon red curry paste, 1 package spring roll wrappers, and oil for frying. Coconut curry dip 1/4 cup coconut milk, 2 tablespoons curry powder, and 1 tablespoon lime juice. Instructions: in a large skillet, brown the ground chicken or turkey over medium heat. Add the red onion, cilantro, and red curry paste. Cook until the meat is cooked through and the onion is softened. Let the mixture cool slightly. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of the chicken mixture to the center. Fold the sides inward and roll tightly. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large skillet. Fry the spring rolls until golden brown and crispy. For the coconut curry dip, whisk together coconut milk, curry powder, and lime juice. Serve the spring rolls hot with the coconut curry dip. Vietnamese fresh spring rolls with hoisin peanut sauce. Experience the vibrant flavors of Vietnam with these fresh spring rolls. No cooking required. Simply fill rice paper wrappers with fresh vegetables, herbs, and vermicelli noodles, and dip in a flavorful hoisin peanut sauce. Ingredients: rice paper wrappers, vermicelli noodles cooked and cooled, shredded lettuce, chopped carrots, chopped cucumber, fresh mint leaves, and fresh cilantro leaves. Hoisin peanut sauce, 1/4 cup hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon water. Instructions: soak rice paper wrappers in warm water until softened. Place a wrapper on a flat surface. Arrange a small amount of vermicelli noodles, lettuce, carrots, cucumber, mint, and cilantro in the center of the wrapper. Fold the sides inward and roll tightly. For the hoisin peanut sauce, whisk together hoisin sauce, peanut butter, and water until smooth. Serve the fresh spring rolls immediately with the hoisin peanut sauce. Tuna spring rolls with wasabi mayo. These tuna spring rolls are a unique and delicious twist on the classic. Flaky tuna, crunchy vegetables, and a spicy wasabi mayo create a flavor combination that's both refreshing and satisfying. Ingredients: 1 can tuna, drained, half a cup shredded carrots, half a cup chopped cucumber, a 1/4 cup chopped red onion, 1 package spring roll wrappers, and oil for frying. Wasabi mayo, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon wasabi paste. Instructions: in a bowl, combine the tuna, carrots, cucumber, and red onion. Place a spring roll wrapper on a flat surface. Add a spoonful of the tuna mixture to the center. Fold the sides inward and roll tightly. Heat oil in a deep fryer or large skillet. Fry the spring rolls until golden brown and crispy. For the wasabi mayo, whisk together mayonnaise and wasabi paste. Serve the tuna spring rolls hot with the wasabi mayo. Serving and enjoying your spring roll masterpieces. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of spring rolls. Now it's time to present your culinary creations and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Arrange your spring rolls on a platter, garnished with fresh herbs and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Serve with your chosen dipping sauces. For a complete meal, pair your spring rolls with a side of steamed rice or a fresh salad. Don't be afraid to get creative with your presentation. You can arrange your spring rolls in a circular pattern or stack them high on a tiered serving dish. The possibilities are endless. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the experience. Spring rolls are all about sharing good food and good company. So gather your friends and family and let the spring roll feast begin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.